Hey everyone, I'm back to do another video on what I'm calling the Green Goblin. So, got it painted, got the kickstand mount on here. The one that I'm going to be using, let me go ahead and move that, is this one here. It's a vintage mini bike kickstand. So I'm going to see how that's going to work. The one I was using, it barely, had that bike sitting up. This one here should lean more at an angle, as you see. The hole there. So yeah, it should lean at much more of an angle. So we'll see what happens with that. So I clear coated it. I got several coats on it. I am not exactly sure how many, but several. You can see how shiny it is. So, yep. And tomorrow I will put it up on the jack and start reassembling it. Of course, I need to get a few bolts and nuts and stuff like that for it, but I think it's going to turn out quite nice. I mean, it's not perfect. I mean, you can see it's not perfect, but it's pretty nice. It's a lot better than what it was just bare metal. It's quite nice. And then of course got the motor mount plate here. I'll be working on putting that on there, and got the motor behind the curtain here. I might put one more coat of clear on it. Got plenty of it. 2 cans there, and about probably a little less than a quarter of a can there. But I'll probably do one more coat, before I hit the hay tonight. And sometime tomorrow I will go ahead and take it down, put it on the jack, start reassembling it, and there we go. So I want to keep guys informed on the progress. So there we are. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I will talk to y'all later.